fine.
I don't want to turn them off. What are you filming, the squirrels or?
No, you eating.
Oh, Jesus.
Now that's on. Now you're on there with the. It's Sunday and it's good language.